The universe is filled with monsters. Some are violent, some are silent, some are so large, they reshape reality itself. Tonight, we're not listing black holes. We're going on a journey that starts close to home and slowly moves farther away until the universe itself begins to feel unfamiliar. So let's begin nearby. Very nearby, not in another galaxy, not at the edge of the universe, right inside our own cosmic home. At the very heart of the Milky Way lives a black hole called Sagittarius A star. Sagittarius A asterisk sits about 26,000 light-years from Earth. That sounds distant, but on a cosmic scale, it's practically our neighborhood. Most people imagine black holes as destroyers, but Sagittarius A asterisk isn't tearing our galaxy apart. It's holding it together. Think of a playground merry-go-round. As it spins, every seat stays in place because of the pole at the center. Remove that pole, and everything flies outward. Sagittarius A asterisk is that pole. Its gravity keeps billions of stars moving in stable orbits. Without it, the Milky Way would slowly lose its shape. And maybe the most surprising part? It's quiet. No violent feeding, no chaos. The closest black hole we know is also the reason our galaxy feels stable. But this calm is not what most black holes look like. To understand what darkness truly is, we have to leave home. As we move farther away, black holes stop being guardians and start revealing their true nature. Far beyond the Milky Way lies M87 star. For decades, black holes were only equations, ideas written on paper. No one had ever seen one. Until that glowing ring surrounding pure darkness wasn't art. It wasn't a simulation. It was reality. For the first time, humanity stared directly into a black hole. If Sagittarius A asterisk showed us that black holes can be gentle, M87 asterisk showed us what darkness actually looks like. And once you've seen it, the universe begins to feel heavier, larger, more dangerous. And that's when scale starts to change. As we travel deeper into space, we encounter black holes that no longer need to announce themselves. Holmberg 15A is unimaginably massive, yet it barely reacts. It doesn't feed aggressively. It doesn't erupt with energy. It simply exists. Like a king so powerful, he doesn't need to raise his voice. At this scale, power isn't loud. It's silent. But silence doesn't always last, because some black holes refuse to stay calm. Over 5 billion light-years away, we encounter Phoenix A, one of the most aggressively feeding black holes ever observed. It consumes matter so violently that it's rewriting the rules of how galaxy clusters evolve. If Holmberg 15A was a silent ruler, Phoenix A is a warrior, relentless, unstoppable. At this point, it feels like we've reached the limit, but the universe still has one more lesson to teach us. Not everything enormous in the universe is a black hole. IC 1101 is often misunderstood. It isn't a black hole at all. It's the largest known galaxy ever discovered, so large that calling it a city isn't enough. It's a nation. Yes, a massive black hole sits at its center, but the galaxy itself is even larger. Sometimes, the container is bigger than the monster inside it. Size alone doesn't tell the full story. And yet, there is still one final scale we haven't faced, far beyond everything we've seen so far. Beyond calm guardians, silent kings, and violent warriors, lies Ton 618, over 10 billion light-years away. This is not just a black hole, it's a quasar, with a mass 66 billion times that of our Sun. If our Sun were the size of a soccer ball, the Milky Way would be dust. Compared to Ton 618, this black hole doesn't sit inside a galaxy. It behaves like one. Everything nearby exists, only to feed it. And standing here, at the edge of what we know, a final thought emerges. These are only the black holes we've discovered. Most of the universe remains unexplored. Somewhere out there, even larger monsters may exist. Black holes don't destroy the universe. They shape it. But when size crosses a certain limit, even the universe goes silent, and we may never hear it scream. If this journey made you curious, like the video, subscribe for more cosmic stories, and tell us in the comments which black hole or which space mystery should get a full long video next.